Hey guys, today I am back with another review on this big Boohoo haul I just did. I spent over $150 or so on 10 to 11 different items, and I just wanted to show you guys what I got, how the material is, how everything fits, and there will also be a try on at the end of this video. But before we get started, remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you guys like videos like this, let me know. Or if you guys want to see a review on a different product or an item, just let me know in the comments below. And let's go ahead and get started. So the first item that we have is a set, which I did not know it was a set, but I just wanted the top. This is a red top along with a red skirt, and it cost me $12.80. At the end of this video, I am going to add a try on so you can see how this fits. This set is actually in a size 6. I wear a size 6 for most of my clothing, for top and bottom. This is the bottom skirt right here. So both of these together were only $16.80. I do like the top quite a lot, but I do not like the skirt as much because this like band is just folded down, so it's kind of uncomfortable to wear, and when you wear it you can actually see the little band as well. So I didn't like this as much, but I do like the top quite a bit. For the next item, I got a basic long sleeve turtleneck body piece, and this is what it looks like. This is in the size 6, and I think I could have went up one size for this one even though it stretches, but it fits me pretty snug. This cost me $9.60. I do like this more than the white one that I bought, which is this right here. This cost me the same, $9.60. It is in a size 6, all cotton material. I'm going to rank this as my least favorite item out of these 11 items that I purchased because this material is very thin. The way they the amount of fabric they use is very thin, so any bra that I wear, any tank top that I wear under this will still show, and it's not cute to me. I don't prefer my undergarment to show through my tops, so this would be the only purchase that I do not like. This is the only purchase that I didn't favor as much compared to my other items. This skirt right here is a cute plaid skirt. This plaid skirt cost me $4.87. Yes, $4.87. So this skirt is similar to the red skirt from earlier. It's thin, and you can see during my try on video that you can see my undergarment, so you can see the bodysuit. So what I did was wear black stockings under this when I wore it out, and I definitely recommend it that way so no one can see your underwear or whatever else that you're wearing, whatever else you're wearing under this. If you guys check out my Instagram, it's Gina V Lay, you can see some of the pictures that I posted with this skirt. It looks very, very cute. As for my next item, I got a pair of patterned trousers, which is in a size 6, and this is what it looks like. Don't let this deceive you, because when I bought this online, when I purchased this online, I really thought it was going to be more like trousers, a thicker material, but it's actually quite thin, and it feels almost like leggings. The way it's stitched, it's not really like trousers. This size 6 fits me very snug. I probably could have went up one extra size, but I do like it. It's a little bit short on me. It comes up above my ankles, so if I would have went back, I would choose to purchase one size up, but it still is really cute, and given the price, it's a steal. The next item that I purchased is this very cute body piece, bodysuit top to go with simple jeans. This cost me $7. It's a great buy, fits perfectly. I love the U neckline right here, the heart neckline. Yeah, this is really cute. Oh, this is also in a size 6. Very nice material, and you can't see through on this item, which is fantastic. Love that I can't see it. And for this item, this is gonna be one of my top purchases. I love this. Cost me $16, and it's a cute nude pinkish duster, and it has like these cute neck top right here, and it's very, very, very long. So very, very stylish to pair with a very simple outfit like jeans and a white body piece. So I do like that piece. What size is this? I forgot to mention the size. And this is in a size small/medium. And for my next item, this is a white pair of trousers with a belt, and it cost me $17.60. This too is also one of my favorite purchases. Although the material is very thin, so you can actually see your underwear if you're wearing a bold color, I would recommend just wearing a crop top or some type of crop piece and nude panties under. This style is so cute, guys. I love this belt. Although you get what you pay for, so this belt is not the most durable belt, but it is cute and it's stylish, and you get what you paid for. So it actually reminds me of one of the Zara outfits, Zara pants that I saw in store the other day. And also this is in a size 6 as well. Yes, this is so cute. I love this. I can't wait to wear this and pair it with a very cute top. All right, my next item is ruffle sleeve crepe bodysuit. It's in bottle green, and I plan on wearing this possibly for Christmas. It's a cute bottle piece. You know what? I showed my friend my purchase the other day, and she was like, Gina, I didn't think you would wear something like that. And I was like, yeah, I feel a little spontaneous, a little adventurous. And this cost $14.10. So this material, you can tell it's really good, and also very, very thick as well. I got this in a size 4 actually, and this fits me pretty snug. A size 4. My next item is in a size 4. Love this cute satin top. It cost me $10. Very, very cute. On camera it kind of looks blue, but it's actually more like a blue-green type of situation. Yeah, but it's very cute. The sleeves are super, super cute. Everything's opaque. You can't see through this material, which is fantastic. And the V-neck is not too short, which is great, and you guys can see it in the try-on portion of this video. And the last purchase that I bought, which is my all-time fave, this cost me, what is this? This cost me $16, and this is a belted waterfall coat. Belted waterfall coat in a size small/medium. This is my all-time favorite. It's like very simplistic, very cute to go with any outfit that you would like in the winter and keep you warm at the same time. The only criticism I have is the belt is a little bit rough, so when you tie it, it's gonna poke out a little bit. Honestly, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that part yet, but hey, it's cute for the amount of money you purchase for this, okay? Overall, I'm pretty satisfied with this purchase. The only few knickknacks that I had or cons that I have with this purchase was that it was some of the items were a little bit thin, and I wasn't expecting it to be thin or see-through. But other than that, most of the quality is very nice, and I will definitely purchase again from Boohoo, which I remember saying in my first Boohoo review that I wasn't sure if I was going to purchase again, but everything was so cheap online that I was like, man, let's just give it another chance. So that's what I did, and yeah. All of these items took 2 weeks to be delivered to me, so, and I live in the States. So if you guys are ordering from America, then expect a little bit of a wait time. I know over in the UK, it's probably much quicker than it is over here, but hey, if you're saving so much money buying clothes from UK, you just gotta wait for a little bit, do it. I would do it. At the end of this video, I have the try on portion of this video so you guys can see how everything fits me. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below and I'll answer them for you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys have a great holiday and New Year's. I will catch you guys in my next video.